Are you planning to call them for at least discussion so that they can resume their normal duties?
See, my door is always open. In fact, I have met many organizations. What group of organization I don't know, but many have come and met. In fact, you as the media person also, you must have seen that those organizations they come and meet me expressing what they desire. But as I said, our door is open. We are here to save the people, but not at the cost of the school-going children.
And what is your appeal to the teachers?
My appeal is that they have to work together with the government. We have to trust each other. If you didn't have a mutual trust, how could we do? They are all the stakeholders. We are all the stakeholders. We have to have, when the government is not doing or doing, we have to see the government is responsible to all sector of the society. It's not to one sector section of the society. So you have to understand that who is the government will not try to solve the problem at hand. But the issue is not very easy. It is very complicated because there is a cascading effect, and not only affect the education department, it affect also the audit department, because the money is not the money of education department, it's money of the state government.
So, do they have that right or not to demand? Because the last agreement that we're looking was in 2006, 16.
16.
16?
16.
16. So, does it make any sense for them to demand, or like there's no such criteria or any guidelines?
See, we are in a democratic society, and the government want to solve the problem of each section. I don't want to go into that detail, but if the time comes, then we will see. As I said, the time now is that to work together. As I said that I have already stated on the floor of the house that all the pros and cons of what is the thing to be done, to do and not to do, we are there, because it's not the question of only this teacher. There are so many schools. 600 schools also are applying to get grant from the government. So we have to look on not only this. We have to look at the other part of the society. Do you know that in the Ranikor block, if I'm not mistaken, the whole block is only one higher secondary school. There are many areas which they need the intervention of the government. So we have to see that the right of the people to get education is being spread all over the state. So one section of the thing, it's not that we look only at the government or the other. We have to see, we have to balance the things out, so that whatever decision we take, it could be implemented, and not only implemented, it should serve the purpose of the, as I said, the accessibility of the school education to every part of the state. Thank you.